Hi Sweetex beauties, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are making flaxseed gel for hair. As you can see on this video, these tiny seeds are called flaxseed. It has a kind of golden brown color. This seed is considered a nutritional powerhouse for its combination of essential macro and micronutrients. These include protein, omega-3 fatty acid, fiber and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for healthy hair growth. They nourish the follicles and hair shafts, making them strong, less prone to damage. And it's also a reliable source of vitamin B and E. So, things that we need in making this flaxseed gel is a cup of flaxseed, a wig cap, or you can use stockings or sieve for extracting the gel from the flaxseed, a container to put the gel and water. Also, you need a cooking pot or pan to boil the flaxseed. Place your pot on a heat and add 2.5 cups of water inside the pot depending on the quantity of flaxseed that you are using. Then add your flaxseed into the pot. Do not cover the pot. Allow the flaxseed to boil, and when the water starts getting thick, then start stirring it with a spoon to avoid the flaxseed being burned under the pot. Okay? You need to boil the flaxseed up to 15 to 20 minutes. So here, this is where you need to decide the consistency of gel that you desire to get from the flaxseed. The more you boil the flaxseed, the thicker the gel becomes. So if you want to get a light consistency of gel, then don't boil it for too long. After the flaxseed has boiled up to 15 to 20 minutes, off the heat and allow the flaxseed to cool for at least 30 minutes. Then turn it inside your wig cap or your socks, because you're going to use your hand to press out the gel out of the flaxseed. But if you're using sieve, you don't need to wait that long for the flaxseed to cool down. You just have to turn the flaxseed inside your sieve and allow the flaxseed gel to come out. After removing the gel from the flaxseed, you don't need to throw away this flaxseed. You can use it for so many things, which I will be giving you guys the videos of what you can use this flaxseed to do. You can use it to prepare your hair conditioner. You can use it to prepare your flaxseed hair shampoo. You can use it to prepare your flaxseed hair spray. There are so many things you can use this flaxseed to do on your hair. So do not throw the flaxseed away. If you don't know what to use it for, you can use it to make smoothie for yourself and drink. So here I'm adding few drops of lavender essential oil to add more fragrance to the flaxseed gel. And here is our flaxseed gel. We are done, and you can see it is so nice. So I believe by now you can make your own flaxseed gel. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit on that red button and subscribe, and always put on your notification bell so that you know each time I upload a new video. If you are new to my channel, welcome once again, and please join the family by subscribing. See you soon on my next video. Bye.